Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today we're going to be doing what's called the glass act, and we're going to be testing out all these different glass cleaners. We're going to look at ease of use and also streak-free shine. So the test subject today is going to be this window right here. You see these doggy prints? First thing that we're going to be using is Rain-X. I have some microfiber towels and we are going to see if this worked. All right, what I noticed immediately is that this is Rain-X. It kind of looks kind of soupy. So let's just see. I'm only going to wipe right here. Now the thing that I notice is that I'm going to use a little bit more. It is not taking off the dog marks very easy. I'm having to use a lot of pressure here to get this off. All right, so that's Rain-X, okay? Spray away glass cleaner. So this is the next one. I'm gonna move over to this section here. And as you can see, so spray away has been around a long time. This is spray away. You can see it foam up. I'm gonna use a new microfiber. See it already working. Now spray away, just cut through all the doggy marks. No issue. I'm not using any pressure whatsoever, and it's not leaving any streaks. Invisible glass. Now invisible glass I'm going to use right here. Tint safe. Oh, this does say tint safe, but any automotive glass cleaner that you get, you can assume that it's safe for tinted windows. Now this is kind of like spray away, but it's not as thick as thick of foam. So just spraying it right on. Let's set that up here. Now I'm gonna allow the product to work just a few seconds. This is real time. And then I'm gonna wipe it off. It cut through the remaining dog nose prints. As you can see, invisible glass spray away are easy to use. Now, we're gonna move over to the back door and we're gonna try out All glass cleaner. This is a weird product. This is All glass cleaner. It has a really strong smell. Let's see if it cuts through those dog marks. It's smearing. It is smearing. All right, now it's not. Okay, so All glass cleaner is good. So let's go ahead and close this up. So we're gonna look on the outside of the windshield. We're gonna do a test here, 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 and here. All right, so the first one, so the one that is actually the loser so far that didn't cut anything is this Rain-X glass cleaner, but let's see what it does on the outside. That's enough. I'm going to use another microfiber towel. This is a brand new one, as you can see. Let's go ahead and see what it'll do. It's not cutting the water spots, so you can see that. Now, this is real life. This is how we could actually see it. Now, can you remove it? That. But it cleaned the glass. It didn't remove the water spots, but it did clean the glass. So water spots are a different issue. We're looking at just cleaning it. Next one that we're gonna use is spray away glass cleaner. This is the next one. So I'm gonna use this microfiber. Wipe that off. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna look at the windshield from far away. I'm gonna see if this leaves any kind of spots. Okay, so the next two, I'm gonna walk over here to the other side of the windshield. First one that we're gonna try is right up in here. We are going to try it right here. This is invisible glass. Invisible glass works well. Very, very easy to use. I'm not using any pressure. Let's go ahead and put that invisible glass up. Now I'm gonna come up here to where all these water lines and all this crap is right here. And I'm gonna see if it'll cut it. Yes, Armor All has been around forever. It does have a weird smell. It's very, very strong, but it smells clean, doesn't it? Wouldn't you say?
I don't smell it.
You don't smell it. You'll smell it if you ride up on it, but as you can see, it cleans up very, very well. And voila. So it does streak though. Armor All streaks. You can see those streaks right here. You can see them. See that? See the streaks right there going down. You can see it coming around. So you have to continue wiping, turning, wiping more and more with the Armor All glass cleaner. So if you're gonna have something that works and something that's easy to use, I'm gonna tell you what product that you need to get out of this 4-product test here. We used Spray Away, we used Armor All glass cleaner, and we used Rain-X. So from rating, from best to worst, it's gonna go like this. We had Spray Away, Invisible Glass, Armor All, and Rain-X. Best, better, and just crappy. Believe it or not, Rain-X makes a great product when it comes to actual Rain-X. But when it comes to glass cleaner in the spray bottle, it's horrible. Stay away from it. The Armor All, if you got to work harder, you want something that's going to cut through what you need it to cut through and work as quick as possible. So just keep that in mind. So this has been a glass off. This has been kind of like a glass cleaner face off. So hope you enjoy. So be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell for new notifications for videos just like this, because we're here to help you and give you the real gist and real reviews on products that you can get right out the store without having to go online and having a bunch of tutorials and some other crazy stuff that you have to do and read and watch before you can use the product. This is store-bought products, easy to use for people just like you who are in need of just cleaning some windows, making a car look good, making it smell good. Anyway, rambling, talking. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.